Welcome back, everybody. This is 30 Seconds Excel Solve, and we are here today with another topic. Today we will see how to use a slicer in multiple pivot tables. So what we will do is going on our example, here it is. So we have this example, this table, and we are going to create a pivot table there. So let's go here and then go Insert Pivot Table after selecting the source. Click OK, and now you see that we have this pivot table here. And now the order date, I will put that order date on my row labels and the region on my column labels and the total on my values label. Now, what is a slicer? A slicer is kind of a dynamic filter that you choose that you can actively or dynamically select. So let's select a slicer, create a slicer for this pivot table. So let's go to Insert, and you have the opportunity of this filter side of the pivot table, the slicer. And you click Slicer, and now a pop-up asks, what do you want to use as a slicer? And I will use as a slicer the region. And I can pick even multiple ones. We will see this on another video, but for the moment I'm going just to pick one of these, which is the region one. And click OK. Now you see that the slicer is here, and I can move that anywhere I want. So the slicer is kind of a filter, really, that you can select what you want. For example, if I want to select central, here it is the central, the north or the south. For multiple selection, I have just to click to left click my mouse and hold that really and move the arrow down or up. So here it is. For example, if I want central and north, and here it is. If I want all of those central, south, north, here it is. So the good thing is that this slicer can be used not just for one pivot table, but even for more. So let's copy this pivot table and create another type of pivot table here now. And instead of the region, I will pick items on the column labels. Now, if I pick central, you will see that not only the first pivot table changes, but also the second pivot table, and also if you make other dynamic selections. So usually this is how it is done in reality, the selection between multiple tables on Python using the slicer. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, just leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.